Hello guys, I have a nice, this is a, where's that? A Zippo billfold, kind of pocket knife too. As you can see, the blade here. I don't think they make these currently anymore. Sometimes it has Zippo up here too on the actual billfold clip. But as you can see, a nice little Zippo knife, fully extended, up there. Still got a little point to it, probably wasn't used too much. Billfold clip is good, not over used like you see a lot. And then we kind of got like a nail file here. So you can see kind of diamond pattern on this side, and then I guess diamond pattern on both, but also it says Zippo right there as well. I bought this obviously used. Has a cool tree on it, and ECS. I assume someone's initials. So, work some WD-40 into the hinges. I guess more the moving joints. And then add it to our collection. Simple. I'm gonna open up both. Check it. Little squirt. A little bit of both there. Kind of work it all around. It's gonna help keep them. See, it's a little dirty too, just from that. And then we're gonna open and close them a little bit. Try to work in that WD-40. Make sure there's no extra WD-40 on there. It has some glass cleaner. I'm just gonna spray a little bit on the front there. You know, I'm not too sure how you're supposed to date the billfold kind of knife combos. I wish I knew how. There's nothing really marking like a Zippo stamp. Some inside there too. Oop, and it drowned. Just is a little rough in there, definitely. I believe this is my second billfold knife to add to my collection, but a beautiful piece and another piece of Zippo history, so glad to have it.